Our essential blanket is garter stitch, so that means we are knitting on both sides of our work to create that gorgeous bumpy texture. And how we do that is our right needle goes into the front of the next stitch. Our working yarn is on our right. We wrap that round the right needle and over the top like so, and then just nice even tension, not too tight, not too loose. Pull that right needle back, slide it back and up through and slide the stitch off, and there we have our garter stitch. So the next one into the front of the next stitch with the right needle, wrap it round over the top of the right needle, slide that back and up through and off. Into the front of the next stitch, wrap the working yarn around the right needle, slide back, up and off, and away we go. It's a really nice rhythmic stitch, a great one to do if you're watching something on Netflix or whatever, and or you're talking to someone and you just want a nice easy project to do at the same time. And then we are coming up to our I-cord edge, so that creates the lovely finish on each side of the essential blanket. So we knit up to 3 stitches left, nearly there. Okay, 3 stitches left, and then I'm going to bring my yarn around to the front of my work to the purl position, slide those 3 off purlwise, which means I take my right needle up into the front that way and just slide them off to my work, and we just knit as per normal, and that creates this gorgeous edge that you see.